Hi, this is Dr. Shoykot Mujumdar. Today we will discuss the applications of Fermi-Dirac statistics. Let us come to the topic: Fermi-Dirac statistics and applications. It is also in the module 5 in statistical mechanics. Learning objective is to compute macroscopic properties from the quantum mechanical information about the atoms and molecules of interest. Let us start with an example. This example we have discussed for Maxwell-Boltzmann statistics also. Now, same example for the Fermi-Dirac statistics. A system has non-degenerate single particle states with 0, 1, 2, 3 energy units. 3 particles are to be distributed in these states such that total energy of the system is 3 units. Find the number of microstates if the particles obey Fermi-Dirac statistics. Find the corresponding macrostates and microstates also. Now, number of particle is 3. Number of particle is 3 and number of state is 4. So here we are representing 0E, 1E, 2E, 3. These are the energy states. Now these 3 particles should be placed in these 3 energy states so that the total energy becomes 3. That means the total energy becomes 3 unit means 3. Now we know from Fermi-Dirac statistics that only one particle or no particle, that means at best one particle can be placed in a particular energy state. So we can place not more than one. So we can place, suppose in 0 there is one particle, in 1 there is another one particle, in 2 there is one. That is 2 into 1 means 2E, 1 into 1 means 1E, then 2E plus 1E 3 plus 0 into 1 means 0. That means total energy is 3. Because 3 we have not placed any particle here because already we have 3 particles and these 3 particles are accommodated in the 3 energy states. So this is the only microstate, and the microstate is AAA and its corresponding macrostate is 1110. 1110. That means for the first one it is 1 particle for the first energy state, second 1, third 1, fourth 0. So now if you alter this, then it has no meaning. So all the particles are indistinguishable. So the microstate is 1 and macrostate is 1. Now another example. A gas has 2 distinguishable identical particles in kth energy level in which there are 3 quantum states. According to Fermi-Dirac statistics, find the possible number of microstates. Find also the number of microstates in tabular form. So to solve this problem or to solve this example, number of identical particle is 2 and these particles are distinguishable. So this can be solved using Fermi-Dirac statistics. And number of quantum states, the 2 distinguishable particles and 3 quantum states. So number of quantum states is 3. So Gi will be 3, Ni will be 2. We know the thermodynamic probability for Fermi-Dirac distribution. Thermodynamic probability means number of microstates in a given macrostate. So this is Gi factorial by Ni factorial Gi minus N. This is the number of microstates as per Fermi-Dirac distribution law. That is number of ways these particles can be distributed in the different quantum states. Gi quantums. Ni number of particles can be distributed in Gi quantum state. This is WFD is equal to Gi factorial by Ni factorial by Gi minus Ni factorial. So W becomes Gi means 3 factorial, Ni means 2 factorial, Gi minus Ni means 3 minus 2, that is 1 factorial. So it becomes 3 into 2 factorial, 2 factorial cancel out, so this becomes 3. So number of microstate should be 3 as per the formula. Now let us distribute the particles, second part, in tabular form. There are 2 particles, 3 energy states. Suppose we have placed particle A in energy state 1, another particle in energy state 2. So there we have no particle in hand. So 3, there is no particle. Now this is 1 microstate. As the particles are indistinguishable, so if we alter this, it has no meaning. 101, first one is A, second one has no particle, third one is A. For 0, this is the printing mistake, 0, 1, 1. 0, 1, 1 means this one is 0, then 1, then 1. So now microstates are 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1 and 0, 1, 1. And the particles are distributed in this way, A, 0, A, 0, A, 0, A. So we have distributed these 3 particles in this 2 particles in the 3 quantum states, and the microstates are AA0, A0A, 0AA, and the corresponding macrostates are 110, 101 and 011. These are the macrostates. For this macrostate, these are the microstate. For this macrostate, this is the microstate. For 011 macrostate, the microstate is 0AA. Electron gas model. Metals are characterized by the presence of a good number of free electrons. These electrons move about at random within the metals. While moving, the free electrons collide among themselves, also encounter with the fixed ion cores. Such behavior of the free electrons is similar to that of molecules of a gas. Thus, metals can be treated as electron gas, since the electrons have half integral spin angular momentum and they obey Pauli's exclusion principle. They follow Fermi-Dirac statistics. Let us consider an electron gas consisting of n electrons occupying volume V. If n is very large, the spacing between two successive energy levels becomes very small, making the energy levels almost continuous. Then, if the energy of the electrons ranges between E and E plus dE, the number of degenerate states Gi should be replaced by GeDE. That means number of quantum states within the energy range E and E plus D. And the total number of electrons Ni in these states should be replaced by NeDE. That means n number of electrons within the range E and E plus dE. In the distribution function given by the equation, we know from Fermi-Dirac distribution, Ni is equal to Gi by 1 plus e to the power Ei minus Ef by Kt. The total number of electrons in the electron gas having energy between E and E plus D can be written as, we are representing this NeDE. That means within the energy level E and E plus D. And Gi quantum states in GeDE. And this one is equal to exponentiation Ei minus Ef by Kt plus 1. Fermi-Dirac law of energy distribution for free electrons in metal. From electron gas model, we have considered NeDE with the total number of electrons in between the energy level E and E plus D. And we have written this in this form: NeD is equal to GeD by e to the power Ei minus Ef by Kt plus 1. Where GeD represents the number of energy states in between E and E plus dE. If V be the volume of the Fermi phase space of the conductor, the number of quantum states within the momentum space P and P plus dP is equal to Gp dP is equal to 8 pi V P square by H cube dP. This is the Gp dP. This expression, how it comes, we have discussed in our previous lecture videos. So Gp dP is the number of quantum states in between the momentum space P and P plus dP, and it is equal to 8 pi Vp square by H cube dP. We have calculated it as V by H cube 4 pi P square dP, but the electron, proton, neutrons having two spins plus minus half, that's why we have multiplied this by 2. It becomes 8 pi V P square by H cube dP. If the energy corresponding to momentum P is E, then P square is equal to 2me, P is equal to root over 2me. So dP becomes root over m by 2ed, or for simplicity of calculation we can write 2p dP is equal to 2m dE. 2 will cancel out, so p dP becomes m dE. So this equation we can represent it like this: Gp dP is 8 pi V into P by h cube into PdP. So this PdP will replace by this MdE and P will replace by root over 2me. Now come to this part. The total number of quantum states in the phase space within the energy range E plus D is GD 8 root 2 pi V by h cube m to the power 3 by 2 e to the power half d. Now we are replacing. NED means total number of electrons in between the energy levels E and E plus D. NED means this one is GPdP into Fe. GPdP into Fe. Total number of electrons in between this. Basically we know from this NED means this is GED 1 by e to the power ei minus ef by kt plus 1 means Fe. So NED means GED into Fe. GED into Fe. We have written here. This one is NED means GED means this value 8 root 2 pi V by h cube m to the power 3 by 2 e to the power half d, and Fe means 1 by 1 plus e to the power ei by minus ef by kt. Fermi energy and total number of electrons in metal at absolute zero. At absolute zero temperature, T is equal to 0 K, the total number of electrons is equal to the total number of energy states occupied by the electrons from the energy range 0 to EF. E suffix F. E suffix F represents Fermi energy. As the electrons follow Fermi-Dirac statistics, each energy state has only one electron. At temperature T is equal to 0 K, the total number of electrons N is equal to the total number of energy states occupied by the electrons from the energy range 0 to EF. So NE becomes NED is equal to GD by 1 plus e to the power ei minus ef by kt. Now at T is equal to 0, then this denominator part will be 0. So this becomes, as ei is less than ef, then this part will be minus infinity. So minus infinity means e to the power minus infinity means 0. So we can write NED is equal to GED e to the power minus infinity plus 1. That means this one is 0 plus 1 means 1. So NED is equal to GED. Thus, the total number of electrons is equal to the total number of single particle energy states. Hence, N is equal to, if we integrate this from 0 to Fermi energy EF, so N becomes integration 0 to EF NED. Now already we have calculated NED means GD at absolute 0 for Fermi particles. Now this becomes 0 to EF GED is equal to, GED means this is already we have calculated, GED means 8 root 2 pi V by h cube m to the power 3 by 2. Eight root 2 pi V by h cube m to the power 3 by 2 e to the power half t. So this value we will put there. So this is 8 root 2 pi V by h cube m to the power 3 by 2 e to the power half it is integrated 0 to EF d. So n becomes e to the power half, means if we integrate in between these two, so EF to the power 3 by 2 into 2 by 3. So this 2 by 3 if we multiply 2, this is 16 root 2 pi v m to the power 3 by 2 by 3 h cube e to the power EF to the power 3 by 2. So n becomes 16 root 2 pi v by 3 h cube m to the power 3 by 2 EF to the power 3 by 2. This is the expression for total number of electrons in the metal at T is equal to 0 K. Therefore, we can write EF is equal to H square by 8m 3n by pi v to the power 2 by 3. That means n by v with the density of particles. We can write it also d n by v. That means EF is equal to H square by 8m 3 by pi d. D is the density. D is equal to n by v, particle density, to the power 2 by 3. This is the expression for Fermi energy of electrons in the metal. Also, we can represent this Fermi energy in terms of this density that I have discussed just few sentences earlier. So EF is equal to, in terms of density, becomes H square by 8m 3 by pi d to the power 2 by 3, where d is equal to n by v. This d represents the particle density.